Good afternoon, grade 2s.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you this afternoon?
We are blessed.
Thank you. I am blessed. Luyando, don't wear those shades. Don't even try. All right. Thank you. Welcome to our English lesson. Welcome to our English lesson. Our topic is comprehension. We are going to read a passage about a pig. Please, can you write that? I am going to mute all of you. We are going to unmute when we start talking. For now, can you write English comprehension pig? English, and then we are going to learn about a comprehension about a pig. Let's all write everything on the paper. English topic comprehension. The topic of the comprehension is pig. When you are done, please show me the thumbs up. I'm sure now you know. When you are done, just show me the thumbs up. Welcome, Liam. Please settle down, Liam. Sit, sit, sit. Sit and start writing. You are already a minute late. Sit down and write. English comprehension pig. Please don't face the window, Liam. Don't face the window. Yes, that's much better. You can settle down and write. Thank you, Kiara. You are done, I can see. Palesa, are you also done? Yes, the thumbs. Don't forget to put the thumb up. That's my communication, okay?
Teacher.
Yes, is this Stelo?
Teacher.
Yes, Stelo. Oh, Stelo is gone. I think her network should come back. Yes, Kiara. Kiara, yes, Kiara.
I was writing a homework about the pig.
Okay, thank you, Kiara. All right. Yes, Stelo. Start writing, Stelo. I cannot mute you, Stelo. Comprehension pig.
The homework set, so we write the answers.
You write the answers, Stelo. Welcome, Alwande, to our English lesson. Comprehension pig. Please write. You are already late. And Makosi. Welcome, Makosayeza. I want to put down the paper. I want to start reading our comprehension. Please write fast. English comprehension pig. English. The topic is comprehension pig. Makosi. Hello, Makosayeza. Please, can you write English comprehension pig? Please start writing. You're already late for the lesson, all right? Please start writing. We want to start reading our comprehension. Thank you, Luyando. Can I see the thumbs coming up? All the thumbs of people who are done, let them come up. Yes, Alwande, good. Darren, are you done? Please, a thumbs up if you are done. Ryan, yes. Leslie, good. Yes, Kiara. Liam, if you are done, please, can I see the thumb? Oh, Liam is still writing. Liam is still writing. Prudence, if you are done, Prudence, can you put the thumbs up so that I can see that you are done? Please open your video, Prudence. I want to see your face. Makosi, I'm waiting for you. You are the only one who is not done. Please write, Makosayeza. Please write so that we can read the comprehension. We want to read it and we also want to answer it together. Okay, Makosayeza is also done. All right, we are all done. Thank you. All right, today we said we are going to read a comprehension. I have muted all of you. I will tell you to unmute after I have finished reading. I want all of you to listen to our comprehension. And our comprehension has words that have the I sound. For example, pig has the I sound. So I want you to also listen to some words that have the I sound, like pig. Okay, yes, so I want you to listen to some words as well. All right, please listen to my story about the pig. It says that a wild pig lived on a hill. A wild pig lived on a hill. The pig wanted some food to eat. The pig wanted some food to eat. He went to see the king. The king gave the pig a tin of fish to eat. The pig put the fish on a dish. He started to eat the fish, but he did not like it at all. The pig threw the dish of fish into the tin, into the bin. The king was very angry with him. I'll read it again. Remember, with comprehension, you read it twice or even more until you understand. So I'll read it again. Open your ears once more. A wild pig lived on a hill. The pig wanted some food to eat. He went to see the king. The king gave the pig a tin of fish to eat. The pig put the fish on a dish. He started to eat the fish, but he did not like it at all. The pig threw the dish of fish into the bin. The king was very angry with him. Are we together? Please unmute yourself now. And I want you to put your hands up and tell me, what did you hear from my story? What, even if it's a word, I want you to tell me, teacher, I heard this word. Teacher, I heard this sentence. Even if it's a word, I want you to tell me. Leandro, tell me, what did you hear? Even if it's a word, tell me. I want everyone to say something. Yes, Leandro?
There was a wild pig that lived in the hill.
Good. There is a wild pig that lived on a hill. Good. Can I have another hand? Yes, Palesa? Please put your hands up. I will choose everyone. Yes, Palesa?
The pig was angry. The pig was angry.
Palesa wants to start again. Okay, Palesa, can you think through? You want to say it?
The pig was angry.
The pig was angry. Was the pig angry? Who was angry? Remember
The
again,
king.
Palesa. The king is the one. Yes, the king was angry. Good, Palesa. Someone else. Let me come to Makosayeza. Yes, Makosayeza. After Makosi, I'm coming to Alwandi. Makosayeza, tell me what you had.
The pig did not like the fish.
The pig did not like the fish. What else? Thank you, Makosayeza. What did you hear? Yes, Kiara.
The pig was hungry.
Yes, the pig wanted some food to eat. He was hungry. Good. Anyone else? There were so many hands. Yes, Liam, even if it has been said, I want you to say something. I don't want anyone.
Like fish, he threw it away inside the bin.
Oh, Liam, your network, you are breaking a bit. Do you think you can say it again? Please, can you say it again? You were breaking. Yes, Liam, start again.
The pig did not like the fish, he threw it away.
Yes, the pig did not like the fish. He was hungry. He went to ask for food. He was given fish. He did not like the fish. Thank you, Liam. Who else? Alwande? Yes, Alwande?
The pig went to see the king, and the king gave the pig some fish.
Yes, the pig was hungry. He went to see the king, and the king decided to give the pig some fish to eat. Is there anyone else who did not say something, who wants to say something? Mr. Ryan, who is it? Darren, Mr. Darren, yes, Darren. I'm coming to you, Stelo. Darren, what did you hear from the story? Even if it's one word. Mr. Darren? Again, Darren?
The king was angry.
The king was angry. Yes, good, Darren. Stelo, I'm coming to you now. Stelo? Stelo, are you there, Stelo?
Hello.
Oh, Stelo is frozen there. Anyone else? Palesa, the way you are sitting now on that chair, you are sitting like you are no longer in class. Oh, Palesa. Yes, Kiara?
A wild pig lived on a hill.
Yes, a wild pig lived on a hill. All right. The king gave the pig fish. Where was the fish? The fish was in a dish. It was in a, start with a T. It was in a, yes, Makosa.
Tin.
It was in a tin, yes. The fish was in a tin. I said that I wanted us to look at some words that have the I sound, like fish. Which other I sound word did you manage to get from our words? I had so many words. I had pig.
Yes, teacher.
Which other I
Yes,
sound
teacher.
word did you get? Yes, Palesa?
Tin. I.
No, it has to be P. P. E, 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 E. Yes, Makosa Yesa?
Tin.
Again, bean, yes. The E, like fish.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Leslie? Mr. Leslie? Oh, I cannot
Yes,
hear
teacher.
Leslie. Yes, Palesa?
Tin.
I did not hear Palesa.
I said in.
Yes, good. Eat, hill, fish, bean. Yes. All right. Now it's my turn to ask you questions. I'm going to read the story again. So I want you to listen. Remember, comprehension, we read the story and read it again and read it even again so that you understand and answer the questions. So I'm going to mute you once more and then I'm going to read the story again. All right. I'll read the story again. Listen so that you can hear again the story. A wild pig lived on a hill. The pig wanted some food to eat. He went to see the king. The king gave the pig a tin of fish to eat. The pig put the fish on a dish. He started to eat the fish, but he did not like it at all. The pig threw the dish of fish into the bin. The king was very angry with him. All right, now unmute yourselves. Number one, we are filling in the missing words from the story. Number one, a wild pig lived on a dish. Can I see those who put their hands up? Yes, yes, you. A wild pig lived on a. Yes, Makosa Yeza.
Hill.
Yes, a wild pig lived on a hill. Good, Makosa Yeza. Number two. Thank you, Makosa Yeza. Hill. Good, correct. Number two. Who did the pig go to see? Number two. Who did the pig? You put your hand up. If you don't put your hand up, I'm not going to choose you. Put your hand up. Who did the pig go to see? Let me try Leslie. Yes, Leslie. Who did the pig go to see?
King.
The king. Good, Leslie, good. Number 3, the dash gave the pig a tin of dash to eat. I'll start with the first dash. The dash gave the pig a tin of the dash. Who can fill in the dash there? Put your hand up. Let me see the hands. Yes, Alwande. The dash gave the pig the dash. Who is that dash? Alwande?
The king.
The king gave the pig a tin of dash. Luyando, a tin of dash to eat. Fill in dash.
And then the pig didn't like it and threw it in the bin.
Yes, I said, what does dash stand for? Dash. The dash gave the pig a tin of dash to eat. The second dash.
And the king.
Vanessa?
The fish.
Yes, the fish, a tin of fish to eat. Good, Palesa. Number 4, the dash did not like the fish. The dash did not like the fish. Can I see those who say anything? Yes, Prudence? 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 The dash did not like the fish. Yes, Prudence?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Prudence. Who is it? The dash?
The pig.
Yes, the pig. The pig did not like the fish.
Pig.
Good, Prudence. The pig.
The
Correct.
pig did not like the fish.
Good. Correct. That is correct. And then number 5. Number 5, the king was cross because the pig threw the dash into the dash. The king was cross because the pig threw the dash into the dash. Who can tell me the first dash? What does it stand for?
He threw the fish.
The fish into the, yes, Kiara?
Bin.
Into the bin. Good. Well done, all of you. You managed to understand our comprehension. Okay, we have come to the end of our lesson. Who can tell me? I want everyone to tell me something. What did you learn today? What did you learn today? I'll start with Luyando. Yes, Luyando.
About a pig.
A pig. Good. One person at a time. One person at a
We
time.
learned about comprehension pig.
Comprehension, the pig. Good. Darren, what did you learn about today? Yes, Mr. Darren.
Comprehension pig, teacher. Yes, teacher.
I cannot hear Darren. I'm coming to you, Darren.
We learned about comprehension.
Good, Darren.
Please.
The
Teacher.
pig.
Teacher.
Yes, Stelo.
By comprehension pig.
Comprehension pig. Palesa. Yes, Palesa.
The pig did not like the fish.
Oh, now we have some noise from somewhere. Prudence, please remove your hands from your face. Prudence. Prudence, remove your hands from your face. Yes, Palesa. You can continue, Palesa.
The pig did not like the fish.
The pig did not like the fish. Thank you. Ryan, you did not say anything today. Mr. Ryan, you are quiet, Ryan.
The fish in the bin.
Yes, he threw the fish into the bin. Yes. Imagine Mrs. Mlotshwa comes, you say you are hungry, I give you some biscuits. And then after I've given you biscuits, you take my biscuits, you throw them in the bin. How do you think I'm going to feel?
Sad.
Yes, Kiara, how do you think I'm going to feel? I'll be very sad. I'll be very angry. This is why the king was very angry with the pig, because the pig was not grateful for everything. How do you feel about the pig? Do you think the pig was right to ask for food and throw it in the bin? No, the pig was supposed to be grateful because he was the one who was asking for food. Okay, so I hope.
And he was the one who was hungry.
He was the one who was hungry, correct, yes. So I hope that there is none of you who are going to behave like Mr. Pig. Anyone who's going to behave like Mr. Pig?
No.
When someone gives you something, you become thankful. You must be grateful. You don't take things and throw them in the bin, because that's why the king had very sad feelings, because the pig was not grateful for what he had given him. Thank you, Palesa, Leslie, Tiara, Lutando, Liam, Ryan, Darren, and Luyando. Let's meet again tomorrow at what time?
8:30.
8:30. Bye.
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 Bye.